welcome back to my channel. It has been 1 year since I've posted a video, but I have decided I'm going to try to consistently post and create more content on my YouTube channel. I also got a vlogging camera, which I'm filming on right now, so hopefully that buying this camera will motivate me to film more. And today we're just gonna do a little get ready with me. I'm gonna be doing my classic makeup look, so whenever I wear makeup, this is the makeup that I would put on. And it is the makeup look I am wearing currently. Okay, we're gonna start with the makeup. I already prepped my skin with moisturizer. Take some concealer and put it on my eyelids. And I just blend it in with this brush. This palette's really gross, but I go in with this nudish color, or at least it's a nude on me. And I just dust it over my eyelid. To set the concealer I just put on, go in with the Shade and Light palette again. And I put some of the bronzer. I mix these two shades. And then I just put it in the crease of my eye. I go in with my little eyebrow brush. Looks like this. And I go back into this palette and I take the cool tone brown color and I just fill in my eyebrows a little bit, especially on the ends. I don't have a ton of hair on my eyebrow ends, so I like to fill that in. I recently got my eyebrows microbladed and I like them so far. I still have to go for the touch-up because the touch-up fills in the parts where the microblade didn't take on your brow. And I definitely think I want to get some more brow strokes towards the end in my arch. But I wanted to get them very like subtly microbladed so when I'm not wearing makeup it doesn't look like super bold or crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a brow, I don't know what it's called, but it's just like displays like a little bit of pigment and keeps your eyebrows straight up. Also, this eyebrow, this right one, used to be completely lower than the other one. My microblading artist literally like raised my eyebrow in such a natural way, but they actually look like they're kind of even now. And I actually like feel like they look similar. So I'm gonna go in with mascara first. I'm gonna put my falsies on. So I use the Ardell Demi Wispies. I cut them up so they're not as long because they're too long for my eyes. And I kind of like to have like the cat eye effect. Take the lashes out. I will take a scissors and I will cut the very front part off and the very end part off. I'm just gonna take this much off. So here's what I took off the front. So I just used Duo Strip Lash Adhesive, the clear transparent kind. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my lash applicator. So I just put it on my eye. You can see there's a gap in there. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna squeeze it with my natural lashes. I make like really weird faces when I'm doing this. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, I feel like that just makes such a difference in my eye. Like it makes it look so much longer. Okay, where'd my other lash go? Okay, literally me looking for this eyelash. It's literally in my frickin' hair. Oh my god, I just did it again. Oh my god. Isn't it a sign that I need a haircut? I really like don't know what it is. I had eyelash extensions for the longest time and every time I do my makeup I add these falsies because I was so used to having eyelash extensions and now when I only wear mascara I feel like I'm naked. I mean, I like the final effect when I do get them on correctly. It's just quite a process to get us to that situation. I take the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black and I fill in between my lash band and my natural eyelash line. So we're just gonna fill this in. And I'm making a really weird face again, but like, it is what it is. Oh, got that in my eye. So I don't know if you can see that, but now there is not a line and it kind of just looks like eyelash extensions to me. A close-up of the eyes before we do the face makeup. I feel like a complete different person when I put on my falsies versus when I don't do it. I use the L'Oreal Pro Glow. This is in the shade 202. So I'm gonna put it on this thick brush. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. I pretty much just like deposit the color all over before rubbing it in. Yeah, and then I'll bring it down my neck. And then we're just gonna stipple it. Make sure that everything is all blended into the skin. Then I am gonna take my under eye brightening corrector by Becca, and I take a little bit on my finger and I just pat it under my eyes and it brightens it up like so much. Watch this, ready? Like, look how bright this eye is compared to this one. Like, so now I'm gonna take my concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I am just gonna put that in my T-zone and under my eyes. Okay, and then for my under eye concealer, I use my index finger. I feel like the warmth from your fingers just makes it melt in better under your eyes, and since it's like a delicate area, you don't want to tug at it. And then I go back in over that again all over with this sponge, just to make sure that there's no like crazy lines on my face from where the concealer and the foundation meet. So next I'm gonna go in with bronzer, Shade and Light palette again, and I'm gonna mix these two colors with my fluffy brush. I'm just gonna go around the perimeter of my face to start with and blend it up into my hairline. I put my hair like this, and I'm gonna start adding it to my hairline here. Literally sweating, so I had to open the door, get some fresh air in here. So again, we're just adding concealer on the hairline, back by the ears, concealer, bronzer. And then I'm doing it on my jawline down here. Get a nice nose shot there for all of you. We're gonna make this forehead look a little bit slimmer than what it really is. I'm gonna go in and do my cheeks. I just do both sides and underneath my nose. In this Becca palette, I'm going to use this bright pink one and just put a little bit on the brush and put it on the apples of my cheeks. My favorite part is next. This is highlighter. So we're going to drench our face in a hydrating serum. This is just an aloe and green tea face mist. You literally want to drench yourself like you just jumped in the ocean. And I'm just gonna go in with this Becca highlighter and put it on the high points of my face. Some here, elbow, some on my nose, Cupid's bow, in the inner corner of my eye. So then I saw this trick online that I just started doing, and I like literally absolutely love it. So I then take my setting spray and you drench your sponge in it and you lightly dab all over your face to set everything in together. You want to go very lightly so you don't pick up any of the product. So that is just making the whole thing seamless. My favorite lipstick of all time, MAC Velvet Teddy. I just put that on. This makeup look is the definition of trust the process, but I think it looks really nice. So I feel like everything looks super seamless. It all like meshes really well together. It looks good, bitch. I just threw some oil in my hair, and I honestly like literally never do anything with my hair ever. I don't blow dry my hair, I don't straighten my hair, and I curl my hair literally like twice a year, if that. And I feel like that's the reason I've been able to get my hair to be so long and thick, is because I don't use any heat on it. So I literally shower, and then I get out of the shower and I don't touch my hair. I let it completely dry, and then once it dries, I brush it, because I read online that your hair is super fragile when your hair is damp or wet, and it causes the most amount of hair to fall out of your head. So if you wait till your hair is dry to brush it, you're not losing as much hair as you would when it's wet. So that's just a little pro tip. So there's the eyes. As you can still see my skin underneath, but it all looks very seamless. Thank you for sticking around watching my makeup tutorial, and hopefully you learned a little something that you can maybe incorporate into your routine. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace